Good morning. Here I am again. I come back. I'm always here. I want to talk to you this morning about action and discipline. You can be part of let's talk about numbers first. Let's take the actual numbers of deaths that occur by the coronavirus, which is 0.0003%. Let's talk about the amount of people that in the United States of America before the coronavirus were living paycheck to paycheck. 76%. That means less than 24% were making more money than they needed to survive. Let's talk about what percentage of people are in the streets rioting because of whatever bit of social injustice they feel has occurred to them. Less than 1%. The media makes it look different. So stop watching the media. They're lying to you. But make sure that you understand that most of these major happenings are just a few people. How does that apply to you? Well, a few years ago, it was very popular that everyone hated, 98% of the planet hated the 1%. What does that mean? Let's look at, I remember listening to a talk by Jim Rohn years ago. Less than 3% of the population had a library card, and it was free. Free. Everything that they needed to read was in the library, and it was free, and 3% of the population had it. Why? Lack of curiosity? Laziness? Not being sold. Somebody forgot to sell us that a library card has any value. Nobody's having a hard time selling us how unvaluable it is to get on the internet, but what are we doing with our time? My guess is, and I've not done this survey, that probably somewhere between 90 and 99% of the time people are on the internet, they're not doing anything valuable for themselves, for their families, for their wealth creation, or to learn anything of value that enhances them as a being, enhances them as a family member, enhances them as an employee or employer. So I'm going to keep making these videos to remind you that the numbers are real. They're just pathetic to look at. Confront what they really mean. As Grant says, do the math. It's a shakeup. And do it on your own life first. Start there. Look at what you do that is an absolute waste of time. Look at how much opportunity that you have that you fail to take advantage of. And then decide that maybe you should do something about it, like write down a list. Things that I do that are wasting my time. And then on the other side, make a list of things that you do that are valuable. Start. The act of writing that list is an action, and it's a successful action. Once you confront the list, repeat the things that are valuable and stop doing the things that aren't valuable. It's pretty simple. It's 1 + 1 = 2. And remember, arithmetic is just made up. It's not a science, it's an art. And if you need any help, I'm here. 916-691-9192, and find out why people say, call Tom.